What's up, guys? My name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity. And today we are reacting to Cebu City, Philippines 2019. This video was requested by Juan de la Cruz in our Discord. So thank you, Juan, for giving us so many suggestions. There's actually quite a few from him.
Yeah, he does a lot. He does a lot.
So we truly do appreciate all the suggestions. If you guys want to suggest any videos like this, hop in our Discord. The link's down in the description below, and you can suggest any videos you'd like us to check out.
It's the easiest way for us to actually pick a video because we don't have to read a whole bunch of comments that really don't have anything to do with the video.
Yeah.
Usually just mean people. But this way, it's just literally video ideas. So that's the easiest way to do that. Also, if you enjoy this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. It helps us out a lot with the YouTube algorithm and all that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and hop into this.
Yeah, let's check it out. Off the bat, it already gives me some Spanish vibes.
Mm-hmm.
With all the different colors on the buildings.
The Latino vibe.
Yeah. It's got a gorgeous coastline.
It does.
So it's definitely an old school
vibe.
It's an older town feel, and I like that.
Like more of a historical type of situation. Look at this car.
Oh, wow.
That looks old school. I can't really
does.
tell from here. So quick question. I know there's 3 regions, or is it 4 in the Philippines?
I think 3, but I could be wrong.
So what area is Cebu City located? Because I'm sure that we've been told. I don't remember off the top of my head.
Yeah.
So we say it kind of feels older vibe, but I feel like maybe that's just over by the port.
Yeah.
Or the coastal area where they're not like necessarily wanting to, take away, because I bet you a lot of stuff has happened in this city.
Yeah, 100%. And it looks like it's got the downtown vibe over there.
Yeah, so that looks a lot more updated, and it looks like, you got your glass style, your more current styles. But I bet you some fire seafoods here.
Oh, yeah.
I bet.
There needs to be a red light right there.
Yeah, what the hell is going on there? This dude's about to wreck him. Look at this right here.
That seems so dangerous.
Oh my gosh. There might be... No, there's no way. I don't see any lights. There's no... What in the world?
How do you guys prevent accidents right here?
What the heck is this? It's like, I'm just going for it. You need to take this and put it in the middle.
Yeah, put a roundabout over there.
Oh my gosh, that was hilarious. There it is again.
What monument is that? It's shown.
I can barely see it. It's blown out. Really,
it's shown
bad.
it a few times already. So if you guys know what this is, let us know.
I've never seen an intersection like that. We've got some pretty bad ones too, but nothing like that. They would put a light up in a heartbeat for that because we drive too fast. We'd have a wreck.
Oh, there's too many dumb people out here. Like they just go when
What
they
is
can.
going on? That is mind-boggling.
Yeah. We would have way too many accidents.
Oh, it'd be horns. It'd be horrible. Of course, it could be bad there too.
Yeah. I wish they'd give us some of the downtown view.
Yeah.
Because this area looks like it's just mainly ports.
Yeah, because he's stuck in this hole. Maybe this is just Cebu City on the side. Maybe like downtown has a different title.
Maybe.
I don't know. Let us know down in the comments. What is this? This looks interesting. It looks kind of like a factory of some sort.
Yeah.
Or even like a what is it called? Like where a bunch of people come and sell their stuff.
Oh, like a market?
Yeah, like a flea market type situation is kind of like what it could look like. But I bet you they have some killer seafood here.
Oh, probably.
Unless it's just like an import type area, like where they bring in goods.
Yeah. And I would imagine... Oh, is that it?
That was short.
Goodness. I would imagine... Let's see. I want to go back right there. I would imagine there's a beach somewhere along this coastline, not too far from Cebu City. And let us also know if we're pronouncing Cebu City correct.
Right. Yeah.
It
like
could be
if you do it
Cebu,
like or Chibu, I don't know.
or Cebu.
Cebu, maybe. Yeah. There's a lot of possibilities.
Yes. Let us know if there's any other videos on this city, more of the downtown vibe.
Or is the downtown a different name? Like,
Yeah,
is Cebu City just a suburb of
This
City XYZ? You know,
is this over here, which they can't see anymore because it's not.
I can leave it at.
Okay, is this right here, Cebu City?
Or is it just this region over here? Because I saw this building a lot in this video.
Yeah. And then let us know of some other cities if you're watching and we haven't reacted to your city, which I think we've only done Cebu, Manila, and maybe one other.
No, I think those are the only two, actually.
So if you'd like us to react to your city in the Philippines, throw it down in the comments below or again in the description. Click on a Discord link, and we have a specific video suggestion area for you to throw videos in there.
And with that being said,
My name's Miles.
and my name is Fez.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace.
Out.